In case of chopping board, use green for vegetables.
Hi, I'm Chef Michael from Nigeria. What I'm about to show you now is how I'm going to prepare a basic omelette and the cutting of the vegetable to prepare for the omelette so what I'm about to do now is I'm going back to the kitchen and let's go. Yeah, this is our slice cutting, carrot slice cutting. That's the carrot slice cutting. Next one I want to show now is how to cut the julienne. So you will see how I cut the julienne. So that is the julienne. I'm making a dice cutting, so let's go. I'm cutting the small dice, so this is the shape of the small dice. From julienne, then you have the small dice. So that is the way. This is the small dice. This is the slice, then this is the julienne. Then in terms of dice, this is the medium and this is the small dice. I want to prepare the basic omelette. So what we have here is the oil. What we have here is the oil, we have the egg, we have the salt, and we have the green pepper for garnishing, and the onion for the basic omelette. That's what I want to. Right now, I'm going to heat up the pan. Pour the oil in now, a little bit of oil. Put a pinch of salt. Then I'm pouring the egg. Basically, this is the basic omelette, and this is the green chili. Then this is the onion for the garnishing. That's all. Thank you.